What an insane place. This is probably the busiest. I'm not going down there. This looks delicious. Is it good? Not too sweet, right? I just want to give you guys a feel for how busy, how claustrophobic and oh my God, this is the real, raw, unfiltered Philippines. There's chaos on the roads, chaos everywhere. So here's Quiapo Church. We're going to go in now and have a little look around. It's the Quiapo Church, also known as the Minor Basilica and National Shrine of Jesus of Nazareth. Oh geez, it is buzzing.
Yung pinabaan namin, o sige, okay. Nazareno.
Wow. Such a feeling of calm and peace. It's like a pilgrimage and a homage to these people, the Catholics, the Christian community. Oi. Oh my God, I am getting overcrowded vibes here. Jeez, man. What an insane place. This is probably the busiest. I'm not going down there. Well, let's have a little go. Let's see how far we can get before I get claustrophobia. I feel like it's walking against the tide. Oh my God. Okay, I'm turning back. Let's go, let's go. This is madness. Scusi. Everyone is in a trance, a daze. Hello, sir. It's great, but I'm not trusting my bank pack. Hello, sir. Yeah, good, thank you. I was just going to say I can smell fish. Big fish. Marinated fish. Fruits. Everyone sees a camera and everyone wants to say hello. That smells divine. It smells like kippers.
Smoked fish.
Yeah, smoked fish. It smells like kippers.
Yes. Milk fish.
Ah, here. Hello.
Hello.
No wonder there's no fish left in the sea. Wow. Quiapo. The market's going on for so long. Yeah, it's a bit better down this little lane. I just want to give you guys a feel for how busy, how claustrophobic and how hot and sweaty it is there. Gotta watch the backpack. In fact, I'm gonna switch it onto the front, I think. It's easier, I feel more secure. It looks like you can get just about anything here. He's brave doing this. Oh. Only one? Only one? How you doing, bro? I want to get a coffee actually. Nice ice Americano. Hello. Yeah, this is a place that you can come down and have a little fun, get stressed out. If you've got OCD, it's probably not the best place for you. Hello. And there we are, the end of the market. What feels like an eternity. This looks delicious. Is it good? Not too sweet, right? Or very sweet? Very tasty. It's like you're fishing. Right.
25 pesos.
Yeah. I don't know if I've got, oh, have I got change? I've got change. Oh my God, I've got so much junk in my pocket. Thank you, sir. Oh, come on. No, not enough. I'll give you cash. Huh? No, I'm all right, thank you. I'll give you that. That's the smallest I got, sorry. I should put it in my backpack, actually. Easier. Thank you. Ooh. I drop in everything today. Thank you. Can I have a straw, please, yeah?
Thank you.
Wow, yeah. Well done, thank you. That's delicious. Very, very nice. Not too sweet. But very refreshing. Just what you need in a busy marketplace, so. Here we go again. I can feel someone touching my bag, but That's enough of that. Hello.
Give me toys.
No, I don't have.
Please. I'm
Yeah, I use my card.
food. Give me food. Please, I'm hungry.
What? Lemon. You want? Well, I've lost my lemon. Some girl come up to me, just said like she wants some food, she's hungry and thirsty, so I ended up giving her that. I love it here. It's a bit like when I go to the Buddhist temple, my temple in Thailand. I feel the same kind of serenity, the same kind of peace. I think, is this St. Patrick? Yes, it is. Because he's driven all the snakes out of Ireland. Oh, I love it. Absolutely love it. Oh my days. Very much reminds me of India.